Come on.
Okay. Wow! This is the best party in the world. Wow! I'll come out in this present.
Okay.
It's going to be exciting. Is there got a toy in it?
I don't know. What do you think? What is it? What is it?
It's going to be their family.
Does it?
Yeah. Look! It's kangaroos.
It's the deer family.
It's the deer family. Can we open it?
What else is there?
Look.
Wow.
It's just my friend.
What else did you get? No, in the present. What's that?
It's I don't know.
Is it a seal?
Yes, it is a seal.
And what's that?
Oh, that's mine. I didn't know.
Oh, let's have a look. Oh, it's a t-shirt.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's a cute t-shirt.
All right, well, you'll have to say thank you to Connor for all those presents.
Yeah.